everyone, this is Manvi Jain and here is the most updated news for you. Even as Trinamool Congress managed a smoothie victory in Bengal, the man behind the party's success, poll strategist Prashant Kishore, on Sunday announced his retirement from election management. He said, "I have been thinking of quitting for too long and was looking for an opportunity. Bengal gave me that chance." When asked about his political ambition, he said, "Joining politics has always been on the radar. I have been there and failed, but I must go back and rethink what I must do better." However, he said, "I should hand over the baton to those who have been working with me. Actual work has done by my colleagues and there is no better time than now to hand over the baton to someone." For now, Prashant Kishore said he would like to enjoy a break and spend time with his family. He had earlier said he would quit being a poll strategist if BJP crossed 100 seats in the West Bengal Assembly election. When asked about where possibly BJP went wrong, Prashant Kishore said BJP did not factor in the changes that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee made be on the ground and politically after her setback in the 2019 Lok Sabha polls. Prashant Kishore said it is important for Congress to rethink whether something is going wrong with the working of the party. He said it is about the willingness to accept that there is something wrong with my way of working. Willingness to do course correction is important, like Mamata Banerjee recognized what was needed to be done after her Lok Sabha setback, but Congress does not that. Congress leaders still say there is nothing wrong. They are waiting for things to happen to them. All I am saying is that if they want to take on BJP, they have to fight it. Prashant Kishore sharply criticized the Election Commission and said the poll body was an extension of the BJP. He said, "I have never seen a more partial EC. All political parties should come together and put pressure on the EC. The EC is completely partial. They have done everything to make BJP win. They have been working as an extension of the BJP." Said that the EC decided on 8 phases in the Bengal elections to give time to BJP leaders to campaign before each and every phase. Why did the seats that BJP won in the Lok Sabha go for polling in the early phases, he asked. He also said that EC exposed millions the COVID virus just because they could not say no to BJP. Stay tuned with our channel for more information, for more news updates. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home. Thank you and bye-bye.